Insta360 has officially stepped into the handheld gimbal camera market with the new Luna Ultra, and it's packed with features that make it a serious tool for creators on the go. Despite its compact size, the camera combines dual Leica lenses, an 8K main sensor, 3-axis mechanical stabilization, and a detachable wireless display, all in a body light enough to slip into a jacket pocket or small bag. One of the standout features is the removable 2-inch OLED touchscreen. It works as both a monitor and a remote control, letting you see exactly what the camera sees from up to 65 feet away. Whether the camera is mounted on a tripod, positioned at a tricky angle, or placed across the room, you can stay in control without being right next to it. The lightweight design, weighing just over 200 grams, also includes physical controls and a small joystick, making it easy to start recording, adjust zoom, activate tracking, and handle key settings without digging through menus. The imaging system is built around 2 Leica-powered lenses. The main camera captures stunning 8K video at 30 frames per second using a large 1-inch sensor and Leica Summicron optics. Alongside it is a telephoto lens with a larger aperture that supports up to 6 times lossless zoom and 12 times total zoom, helping you capture distant subjects with impressive detail. For photography, you can shoot detailed 37-megapixel images or create massive 200-megapixel panoramic shots that are perfect for landscapes and large group photos. Video creators get plenty of professional tools as well. The Luna Ultra supports Dolby Vision HDR, 10-bit iLog recording, and up to 14 stops of dynamic range, giving you more flexibility when editing highlights and shadows. Slow motion recording reaches 4K at 120 frames per second or 1080p at 240 frames per second. There's also a dedicated pure video mode designed to improve low-light footage while maintaining impressive image quality. To keep footage smooth, the camera combines a built-in 3-axis gimbal with electronic stabilization. Whether you're walking through a city, running after action, or filming from a moving vehicle, the system is designed to keep shots steady and cinematic. Leica's influence goes beyond the hardware. Users can choose from Leica Natural, Leica Vivid, and Leica Chrome color profiles, along with several cinematic filters directly inside the camera. Support for ACES color workflows also makes the Luna Ultra easier to integrate into larger professional productions. Audio has received attention too. The built-in microphone includes a wind guard for cleaner outdoor recordings, and creators compare wireless microphones like the Mic Pro or Mic Air for improved voice capture and multi-source recording. Battery life can reach up to 4 hours depending on settings and usage, and fast charging can restore around 80% of the battery in just 23 minutes. The camera includes 47 gigabytes of internal storage, with support for microSD cards up to 1 terabyte for extended shooting sessions. A wide range of accessories expands its capabilities even further. Optional wide-angle adapters, ND filters, black mist filters, and a unique head tracking accessory give creators more flexibility for everything from cinematic footage to action-packed POV recordings. When it comes time to edit, Insta360's software uses AI tools to automatically find highlights and build shareable videos. Features like QR-based color profile transfers and built-in timecode support also make it easier to move projects between devices and synchronize footage from multiple cameras in editing programs like Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro. The Luna Ultra looks designed for creators who want professional quality video and photography in an incredibly portable package, combining powerful imaging, smart software, and flexible shooting options into one compact device.